Top 4 ways to build wealth while you sleep. Hey dreamers, welcome back to our channel. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक टॉपिक जो हर किसी के विश लिस्ट पर होता है, How to make money while you sleep. ये कोई ख्याली दुनिया नहीं है, बस कुछ स्मार्ट डिसीजंस जो आपके सपनों को हकीकत में बदल सकती है. I'm your host Sunidhi and today I've got a bedtime story for you. Picture this, you're in bed, eyes closed, and your money is out there multiplying on its own. Sounds awesome, right? Well, let me tell you about Arjun, a dreamer who turned his passion into a business. और क्या? His money then worked for him even while he caught up on some much needed rest. Arjun started his own business of crafting unique handmade furniture. At first, it demanded a lot of his time, but as it gained traction, things became self-sustainable. इसका मतलब ये है कि हम भी अपने पैशन को एक्सप्लोर करके उसे मोनेटाइज कर सकते हैं. Think about it. You can start small by even opening your own t-shirt printing business, which is one example of a low investment but high profit business. Take inspiration from the Sold Store, which was born out of pure love for one's passion. It achieved zero cash burn and profitability from day one, emerging as India's largest online brand for big budget movies. Anyway, let's get back to Arjun. Now that his furniture business was growing, Arjun decided to explore the share bazaar. He invested in companies with strong business moats. As those companies flourished, so did Arjun's wealth. मतलब स्टॉक मार्केट बेसिक प्रिंसिपल सीख लो, वर्चुअल ट्रेडिंग में एक्सपेरिमेंट करके फिर अपने ब्रोकरेज अकाउंट में स्मॉल बट टेस्टेड इन्वेस्टमेंट से स्टार्ट करना. कंसिस्टेंट लर्निंग और स्ट्रैटेजिक डिसीजन मेकिंग लॉन्ग टर्म सक्सेस के लिए क्रूशियल है. नाउ Arjun का next move था to diversify his portfolio with commodities. So he started investing in precious metals like gold and silver. If you can't start or own a business, consider investing in appreciating commodities like gold and silver. ये assets time के साथ appreciate होते हैं और wealth को accumulate करते हैं. Avoid the common mistake of associating gold with jewelry. Instead, opt for a smarter approach by digitally investing in gold bonds or gold ETFs. This digital bond method proves to be the most effective way to invest in commodities. सबसे last, Arjun tapped into the world of intellectual property. He wrote a book sharing his journey and turning his experiences into a revenue stream. His creations, whether it was music or an app, continue to bring in money, adding to the growing orchestra of his wealth. Assets create करने में time invest करो. Make something awesome once, like writing a book or creating a catchy song. People buy it and you keep getting money from the sales and royalties forever. If you're a graphic designer, put your cool designs online once and the cash keeps rolling in. Easy peasy. And there you have it. Arjun's bedtime story about making money while you sleep. इसमें hard work नहीं, बस smart choices है. It's about working harder but making smart choices. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया और अर्जुन की जर्नी इंस्पायरिंग लगी तो लाइक बटन जरूर हिट करना, सब्सक्राइब भी करना और बेल आइकन को रिंग कर देना ताकि आप अपडेटेड रहे. Dream big, sleep well and let your money do some hard work for you. Until next time, sweet dreams.